I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I'm back to waiting for the computer again. I'm downloading 375 pictures from the hard drive on the computer to the backup hard drive, and it takes about 2 hours. So I've done 3 projects already, and I've got about 20 minutes yet to go. So I'm going to do a little work on the vise. This is the vise for the front of the wooden workbench. I'm going to bolt it onto this side of the bench. Now I know this is a left-handed mount, and I'm typically right-handed with everything I do, but I found that I have better luck standing at the workbench this way and cutting this way. So I'm going to put the vise on the right-hand side. Really doesn't matter. There isn't any wrong way to put a vise. Some people find it awkward here. I don't. One of the things that I did find awkward was cutting out this board. It's been kind of a pain in the butt. So it's been sitting leaning against the wall now for a good 2 years, waiting for me to get back to it. Good time to do it while I'm waiting for something else to happen. I also have the jigsaw clamped to the bench, and it's plugged in and ready to go, so might as well cut those curves. That's interesting. The wood's closed up around the blade. No problem. Pretty sure a quick tap with a chisel will knock it loose. If not, I may break the blade. Nope. Was able to pop it loose, and we're good to go. Same issue on this side. Same response. far enough off to one side it won't really hurt the structure of the tail on the vise, but it is giving me problems on trying to get this thing down to size. Going back against the grain. Don't want it to split out. I think this draw knife needs to be sharpened. Or maybe I just need to go against the grain the proper way. I think it could be sharpened a little bit. Well, that's definitely against the grain. Much happier going this way. Well, I have the board trimmed up, cut, and planed down roughly to shape. It's still got some work to be done on it. But the computer just dinged, the hard drive's ready to load, and I've got to go back to work. It's been fun playing with the plane. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.